Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to track your Uber Eats order in real time. Open the app after placing your orders. Then click on your account option and then click on orders. After that, tap your active order and then you'll see the order status. You can see when the restaurant prepares your food. You'll also see when the delivery partner picks it up. The map will show you the driver's live location. You'll see the estimated delivery time. Make sure you're available to receive the order. Once the order arrives, you'll get a notification, collect your food, and enjoy it. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.